Uche said in the video that never get popular because they think they are doing me bad. Uche said how this woman was the one forcing her rose, that he has even reported to his wife how Rose is throwing body on him. That is a point. I normally come to meet him here and there and there and there. That is a point. But I'm not bringing anything for people to support me. What will your support give me? How is your support going to help me? Will your support change the situation? No. The Uche now invited me that he want to make confession. He now told me certain things. Good and fine. Then Uche now again invite me again. Say yes, he actually did it. What did you do? Uche not talk. The same Uche now say that darkness. I cannot swear. We were in darkness in front of his door. Inside darkness. Did you touch her? He said, yes, I touched her. Where did you touch her? Uche did not speak. We forget it. Then, when I was in Nigeria, Uche now called again. I want to apologize to you, please. Forgive me. Actually, we did it. Waiting you do, Uche. Uche not talk. I wanted him to say, I fuck. But we all know what's called we did it. So yesterday, day before yesterday, Uche now called me again. I was on video. I now declined it many times. And I wrote him, Uche, I am at work. He said, okay. He now called me. He now started to beg. I'm begging, forgive me. Not that I did it, what you say I did. I said, Uche, not that you did it again. Please forgive me. He now started to beg. Oh. And I told him, Uche, I am driving. I was actually driving. I said, Uche, I am driving. Then Uche now sent me voice again. Forgive me, not that we did it, not that I not did it. I am ready to swear anywhere. And I sent Uche. I now send Ayelala number. I said, this is an Ayelala number. And I state the place where the Ayelala person is. Since you want to swear for the world to see, Uche, please go and call these Ayelala people. Tell them you want to swear and clear yourself. Uche not responding now. So now, wetin dey bother una? I don't move on, no. I'm only telling story. But wetin dey bother Uche when Uche not get rest? When I go Nigeria, did I call Uche name? No. Did I fight with Uche? No. Wetin dey bother Uche? So today I'm going to display Uche number. Make una dey ask am say, Uche, what you do, you not do rest. Why are you restless? You do, you not do rest. Why are you restless? Let me see. So today, Uche, I'm displaying your number because you two, you are disturbing me now. I not quarrel you. I not fight you. I not report you. Waiting be the problem after 3 months. You not agree, move on. Now, you brag, say you ready to swear. I don't send you a yellow person number. Swear this way, post it on... Post it. And me, I'm not even after you now. Why are you restless? Let me see. You know, I know they talk about you. I leave you. But you not let me rest. Me, I can never apologize for what I did not do. That is certain. I will never carry my name go anywhere. God will vindicate me and be not so that they speak. You don't confess now more than... I don't even see anything important there because I know say in the future, in the next 6 years' time, now you go to beg people say you want to confess. You don't confess now more than today you confess I do. Tomorrow I not do. Next tomorrow, forgive me, I do. Now the woman push herself for me. The other day, sorry, I not do. Uche, rest. I am putting your number online. If you like, go and change that number. Let people beg you to rest. I never say you did something. I never say you did something. Uche, rest. Why is your mind disturbing you? I cannot because of you call the record. The idiot people say, why you record? Even though I record, I not record. Why you not record? They tell me. You get what you want and you want to give me. Me and you are the same category. No. I am more than you that is even watching, making all manners of idiot comment. The real people that matters, they don't comment, they call me. He just say what? We understand that you are feeling, what you are passing through. Most of us went through this. Just take heart, do what your mind say you should do, but be fine for us. Blah, blah, blah. No reasonable person and responsible person will come or comment section and start to bash anybody. So let's see if we still have it here. And let me see. Okay. I'm going to forward his voice back to this phone. I will forward what I screenshot. So don't go away. It may take a minute. I want to forward his voice so I can play his voice for you people. All the apropos in the house. Okay, let's see. I think I forwarded it to myself. So I would have loved to play it loud, but it doesn't matter. It will still go. Who I consent and go give. I sent it. Yeah. It remind me of barbecue. I don't remember say we get barbecue. That is wonderful. Those are the sweet things I wish to know about. Okay, now let's see. The one I screenshot is on Wednesday. Today is Friday. The one we were talking in the car, that one was not recorded. He's the one that sent me voice. We did not record ourselves. I don't know about him. It was after the first one he sent that I warned him. I said, go and relax. Nobody, why are you running? Why is your mind disturbing you? I said, just go and relax. Why disturbing? Why still calling? He now sent me voice. I bounced his call. He now sent me this audio.
Shoma, good morning. How was the night now? Okay. I was expecting a call, maybe no call. The issue of me and your wife having intimacy, I think this thing has to be zero from my mind or from my heart. I have to encounter this thing many, many times. Before I left your house, maybe like 2 times, I was able to explain to you that I never do anything with your wife. I never even get such thing for mind to do anything with her. So I need to counter this thing because she was saying it many, many times, which is not okay for me. I've not done anything with your wife. And I've said it many, many times, explained it to you. And you still also putting that allegation on me. Well, I've not done anything like that. And I still respect you as an elder. I still respect you as a chairman in that organization. The respect I have for you and have for your family, based on what I saw on social media, I still respect you. And I really appreciate you for everything they've done for me during when I came to Netherlands. You welcomed me, you accept me like a younger brother. You fix me, like bought the bed for me, try to put me into the system. I really appreciate. And these are one of the reasons why I wanted to make peace, because even before I left your house, the day this thing happened, I begged you, please just forgive me, Then even the last day when I had meeting with you, I still explained this thing to you. You said you went to Nigeria, be able to see one or two things that I raped or fuck or have something to do with your wife. I think this is a wrong impression, and
as we
I
talk,
don't
I will
like
pause and small if I wish to do
I've
so.
tried to counter this.
I want to display Uche number after una listening finish. Now can't ask Uche. I know say nobody will ask. Did you confess to me? He will say no. Did you confess to me that darkness in that corridor, both you and my ex were there, and you agree with me? You touch her. I only ask you, where did you touch her? Touch her till today? Not tell me where you touch her. Now you now go ask and say they have. You say you in talk and here. He say go swear. I don't forward down yelala number. So if he say no know where to swear, not be me suppose carry go where to swear. Make him go swear. Because me I know they talk about this guy, forget him. I use am the cash phone. But since he might not let him rest, he must call me. The other one when I not record when I dey drive. Now wetin I tell am dey repeat oh. I tell am say relax. Not let your conscience worry you. He not dey relax. It's which piece in they make. Today I touch am for shoulder. Tomorrow I touch am where he not talk. Next tomorrow I no go fit swear say we not dey darkness. Me with a dey that darkness for corridor. So now he dey bring himself to the saga. Another saga wan start. After una listen finish, I will post his picture and his number. Make una bring am come out for the saga. You una to go swear. If you no know where Juju dey, una go help am direct am where Juju dey. Make it swear, make everybody fold hand. I no wan call am for Juju because the woman be too useless. But as far Uche no gree rest. Uche no gree rest. So after everything, I will put Uche number online, put his picture. Uche, go and swear one or two Juju, get back to the public. Today, forgive me, I touch am, I only touch am. Tomorrow, I not touch am oh. This impression, I don't know where this impression for the come oh. The same Uche when he say that they throw this woman they throw body for her. The same Uche will call me, will say, I not just go close to your wife. Oh. I saw these two people they kiss for kitchen. He not agree talk that one again. So now Uche no want rest. Me, I will bring Uche in. So now Uche I go dey post every day now. Uche na I go dey post until he goes where one popular Juju when everybody know.
I don't like it. So I know you guys, for me, because I never thought that you guys have issues at hand. I was thinking that everything was okay with you guys based on what I'm seeing on social media and the respect I have for you people. So why I was able to contact you, or maybe because I was thinking that I was doing the right thing based on for the sake of the children and based on the love I have for you people. So I was thinking that everything is all right with you guys based on everything I was seeing on social media. I never thought that the people were having a lot of serious issues, you know. So, and once again, I want to say I'm sorry for everything that happened. Why I'm sorry? Because maybe I interfere based on the marital issues, which maybe I thought I wouldn't have even interfere. But my interfering was not on one side. My interfering was not against you. My interfering was not against your ex or your wife. You know, my interfering was like based on the family which we are. If I can be able to do something like for us to be united based on the love I have for you guys. So buying something for the children, I did it because of the same love. I was thinking that maybe I was doing the right thing. Then going to inside your room thing, when your wife called me for the sake of the queen, I was doing everything all in the name of the love I have for you people. But I thought maybe I was doing the right thing.
Let me first of all explain wetin go put inside so. These people, I thought they catch them. God say make I not talk. I never knew they plan me. I dey house, dey my other room, they sleep. This woman can't go call Uche middle of the night around 2. Can't go my supposed room with my ex-wife and the children. Wetin you go do there, Uche? Woman, why you call Uche? I dey house, I check child, nothing do the child. You can't call Uche come room middle of the night, our matrimonial bed. Now Uche no fear spray now. We say they say pikin no feel fine, pikin no sleep well. Woman, I dey house, I don't check pikin if he go like that. Why you call Uche to the same room middle of the night? Now they talk inside, so when they talk through his nose. Uche, why are you worried?
But at the end of doing the right thing. But at the end of the day, I feel that okay, it's the wrong thing, which I know that I wouldn't have done it. That's why I'm saying I'm sorry for everything that must have happened. Maybe interfering in their marital issue. I'm sorry for that. Please just forgive me. I want to make peace with you. I want to make peace. If I pass through somebody in life and I have issue with the person, I always want to make peace with the people, anybody. So I've never done anything according to the allegation. And I still stand. Any place you want more could go, more will go. And all those courses and belaying and this, I counter those courses because I know that my heart and my conscience is clear from all the whole allegation. So I don't want to have or dragging issue with anybody. So that's how I will still bring myself down to make sure that I have peace with you and I have peace with everybody, or even she, you know. So I'm still saying that I'm sorry for everything. Everything, I'm sorry for that. Then going to for the video or say that she came to my room that we had some things. All those things is a lie. I never do such thing. So I'm still saying it. And this issue, which I still remember. So, Chairman, that is it. Please, once again, I am very, very sorry that I interfere in the marital issue. Based on I was thinking that these are the people which I so much believe in. I see these people as a mentor to me. So, and the love I have for those children, that was one of the reasons why all those things I came in. So I was thinking it's something which me personally I can solve. But I never know that this issue I've been for many years. Later I begin to know all those things. Please, still find a way in your heart just to forgive. And to forgive everything that happened. Take this thing as something which you can handle as a man and as an elder. You understand me? Please, I'm just begging. Your heart, forgive. At least when two lions are fighting, then one give up. It's okay. I give up. I never even fighted with you. Even right from day one, even if I left, I always tell you, please, I'm just sorry for everything. For the whole help and the way you accepted us in the house. I'm sorry. Please, even with your ex, let peace reign. But nothing like peace. Even if she have wronged you or me have wronged you, let peace reign. Forgive us. Forgive everybody. Even if my wife wronged you, forgive my wife. So that is it. That is what I'm just asking for. Let peace have a way in your heart. Forgive, even if you've done anything, which I know that for your allegation against me that I have something with your wife. I have not done that. So we are, on behalf of me and my wife, I say I'm sorry. No? So please, we've not done anything. Normal thing which I believe maybe when one or two people or person is living like in that kind of house, maybe something like all these issues happen. At the end of the result, even you said it one time ago when I had a first meeting with you. So such thing happened. But at least when it happened, I will still gather again and we'll resolve the issues. So let peace reign.
Let me tell you the way thing they try to talk. Let me tell you what he's trying to talk. Say when such thing happen. When I start seeing in my present, he went and tapped my ass here, the rubber. One other person there when I know one when I know I measure his name. The supposed birthday when they already they fuck before birthday. I can't cut him. I can't call the person. I can't call Uche. I say, Uche, I caught you rubbing my ass here in a romantic way. I said, do you know it's a taboo, it's forbidden, and this and that and that? He said, no, no. I can't tell the woman, you when let her they rob you when you know say it's forbidden. The woman not even talk, or Rose not talk. Then that is when I was not cautioning. He say something like this is forbidden. If it happen, children might fall sick. Not only fuck be forbidden for our place. He say, hey, no. He say something like that happen. I say if something like that happen, this is how they appease the gods. He say, will I accept the woman back again? I say, I not use myself. I not tell and say, in our society, depends on what the man need. If a woman already committed this and that. Now in the talk, say, I don't tell and say something like that happen. Say they can settle it.
Anyway, that anybody have offended you, maybe I know that you are not happy with all the whole shenanigans, but at least calm down and calm yourself down. At least, bring.
Now cooking up story. Now I'll take ghost coffee.
Let this temper just, calm down. Let this temper just calm down. Let the temper just calm down. Okay? Chama, I beg. Yeah? So, if you want anytime, I can come and meet you, in my food there, So, that is it.
Okay, now I'm going to play what I sent to him. I'm going to play what I sent to him. Let me forward it from this phone. He hasn't responded now. Since they use himself, they use this one. Now, my response to Uche.
Hello, Uche. I hear what you they try to talk, but the thing be say, waiting happen when you they contact me. Now that one me they laugh, and I they try to ask you, did I need you to settle me or my family? I have moved on. Rose has moved on. You have moved on. What is troubling you, Uche? Okay. I heard certain things you said. I don't want to start reminding you of your past, whatever you say, but I want to tell you as a man that you claim you are now. I want to send you the name of two juju. They call them Ayelala. So I'll send you the contact of the two. Make you tell them, say, you have my number. Say, make them invite me, because now you will pay the money. If to say, now me want pay, now I will summon you. So you go call them. Say, you not sleep with my wife. Or, you know the confession you make for me. Say you agree. Say both of you were in that darkness, and that you touch her. Exactly, you touch her. If you like, not agree with them, but just tell them you want to clear your mind. That you want to swear. You don't have anything to do with my wife. Now Yelala that they call the juju. So I'll send you the number. So if you not call them, never in your life contact me again. When it happened to you, you will call me. I will show you where they swear for you. That is what we need. Yes. So don't stop this nonsense. Stop it. Just stop Just as I just be like say I don't remember you, so you for the appeal, because if you let me remember before I summon you like 2-3 places, juju must owe you. So I will send you the chief priest number. You tell her. Not being supposed to tell you what you tell her. There is a man, blah blah blah. If they accuse me say I sleep with the wife, I want to swear. If I sleep with the wife, if I touch the wife, if I put the wife for darkness, what me and the wife they do for darkness. So that is it. Because you are pushing me now. Me I don't even forget that you they exist. So as you they push me so, And that pushing, you are saying trash in that pushing. So you want me to start with you. What is your name again? Uche. The number I just sent now is Ayelala, Chief Priest, Delta State. You will call the number. You will tell them there's an allegation against you and you want to swear. And when they swear, they will record down. They will send that to me. Or that they said they will call me. I go to hear as you tell this word. Then we'll forget the matter now. I want to swear for the allegation when they tell you say I sleep with Queen Rose Ameh. So if now so say you sleep with her, they know what to talk. If you touch her, you sleep with her, you do this one, you touch her, you kiss her, any one of the above. What they're not supposed to do to married woman, if you do it to her, they'll say make Ayela la cash you. If you not do it, make it set you free. Don't try call me again until you do that thing, yeah? Today I touch her. Tomorrow na darkness with day. Next tomorrow, forgive me. The other day I not touch her more. That allegation where they talk. Who they popo you? Who they worry about you? Not settled now. Did I run after you? Just wait. So this is Ayelala. They know they do what you. They call Uche. Somebody they allege me say I sleep with the wife. I want to swear if I actually sleep with the woman. Now, so that they don't hear you talk for the last audio, say anywhere, any juju you go. This is the first one where you will go here. Get back to me later. Just call the person right away, no hard. You can swear today, swear tomorrow, swear before Sunday. So they'll tell you how much it costs you. They'll just go buy things and they'll put you on phone. More probably for that they'll put you on speaker here. That's good, boy. I'll be waiting for that.
Really good boy. So if they say make I forget, but if I stay, they go remind me. Say them be Uche. You know, say as the thief, they bother Rose with the 29. Go tell her, say you not do. Go send audio. Tell her, say you not do, make it for prayer to the word. Now only the stupid word. Now you not go understand. But now you use your mouth. You for Kuku tell me say you be Christian like Rose. Now you use your mouth say any juju. I know they house, so I know they Nigeria, I know they go Abraka. Abraka have seen confirmed work when Abraka don't do. In the 1990, when my daddy go Liberia, till he come back, I see wetin Abraka Ayelala don't do. When I use my leg, waka go there based on certain things what happen. I see where they park that body. That time human right never did. They will pack and like heap. Even the street, I see many people will be like say they're pregnant for that street. They say the cock when they take serve Ayelala when they don't buy. Those people they go pursue and they catch Ayelala foul the shop man. Ayelala not buy them, but their belly just do like who pregnant. So and they as I ask, they say even till tomorrow say it's still very active. No worry. You say you want to go anywhere. I don't say you number since on Wednesday. Today is Friday. So now since you don't want rest, you don't want relax, you don't want make the matter bye. I'm going to display your picture and your number. Make people advise you on what to do. What is peppering your heart? I told you in our conversation when you come inside motor, I said the reason why I know they run after you, you were like God sent when I later found out, but you dare me, one. But the day when you dare me, God use and help me. I said when I reach Nigeria, I see say even driver sleep with this woman, driver carry and go places to go sleep, they carry and go hotel, go many places. I say, I no can't need to pursue you. As if to say now you be the person when can't sleep with and when make and rock come up for us. I say for there. By now, you for don't become a history. But when I see say now you got use for me to see other things when it hide. Now you say make a document for us, miss. Now you say make driver car and go places. Now you say may marry 5 to 6 husbands, may not tell me. Now you say may go to sleep for hotel. So when I see all these things, why will I run after the small boy when I know say you dare me, but I cannot leave the big fish and run after small crayfish. But since the thing they pepper you, today you will say I do, forgive me. Tomorrow you say I not do. Next tomorrow you say go ahead and swear. You want to swear. I beg. Waiting they pursue you for inside bush must surely pursue you reach road. Make the thing better start now. So I'm going to see if I have his number. First of all, call it for those when not go look at the screen. When I call and finish, I will not post it again, his picture. Let me see if I save his picture, his number. Uche ma biada Uche ma. I don't know what it is about Uche ma. Uche. I don't know if he's using this very one I want to. This is not the one he called me with. Okay. I'm going to post 2 of his number, but this very one here, plus 35 98 777 19554. I repeat. Uche's number, I'm going to post 2, plus 35 98 777 19554. Let me check the one I saved here. Make I know the why it not appear in my other phone. Uchman, maybe I save it wrong. Uchma. Yes, I have it. Now you don't go put. You know what he put for him. See what he don't put. See what. Uche, who is pursuing you? Now you don't turn TV Joshua. Where could I see you? Uche, don't put TV Joshua. Wait, make I call this one first. Yeah, why you dey run now? No run. No, time never reach to run. We will let you know when to run. Okay, the one when they use still Holland number, plus 31 68 70 18 361. I repeat, plus 31 68 70 18 361. That is Uche. And 2 number be that. Make una ask am waiting the popo make it go swear. I don't send a juju. I don't send a juju abraka. Ayelala. Then you no need to go home. Go send them money. They will call on phone, put am for speaker. The country code might be down. Might make am be plus 31. That is why it's plus 31. Then let me see if I have his picture screenshot here. If I have it. Otherwise, when I drop, I will post it. Make people help me. Since you want bring in leg come outside, I will do Uche video now. I be saying, say, make I just leave until the day when you conscience will tell us something. Plus 31. You can still put 00 at the same.